Have you ever wondered how ancient creatures transform into the fascinating fossils we find today? Get ready for an amazing journey through time as we uncover the secrets of fossil formation. When an animal or plant dies, its path to becoming a fossil begins. The first crucial step happens when the remains are quickly buried by sediments like sand or mud. This rapid burial is essential because it protects the remains from scavengers and decay. Think of it as nature's way of preserving a snapshot of the past. As more layers of sediment pile up over time, the buried remains are subjected to increasing pressure. The soft tissues usually decompose, leaving behind the harder parts like bones, shells, or teeth. But here's where the magic happens. Gradually, groundwater carrying dissolved minerals seeps through the sediments. These minerals slowly replace the original material in the remains, turning them to stone through a process called mineralization. It's like nature's own 3D printer, recreating the organism's structure in rock. Some fossils form differently. Sometimes the original material dissolves completely, leaving a perfect mold of the organism's shape. In other cases, entire organisms can be preserved in amber, ice, or tar pits, giving us an incredible window into the past. The process of fossilization is incredibly rare. Most organisms decompose completely before they can become fossils. That's what makes fossils so special. They're like precious time capsules, preserving evidence of life from millions of years ago. Over millions of years, the surrounding rock layers may be pushed upward by Earth's geological forces, eventually exposing the fossils at the surface. This is where paleontologists come in, carefully excavating these precious remnants of the past. Today, these fossils help us piece together the amazing story of life on Earth, revealing creatures and environments long gone but not forgotten. From tiny insects trapped in amber to massive dinosaur skeletons, each fossil tells its own unique story of survival, extinction, and the constant change that shapes our planet. The next time you see a fossil in a museum or find one yourself, remember the incredible journey it took through time, transforming from a living creature into a stone messenger from the past. Isn't it amazing how nature preserves these ancient memories for us to discover?